channel. It's your girl Malika. Today we're going to do a little get ready with me. I'm going to apply this unit that I received from Delight Braided Wigs, and I'm going to do my makeup on camera. So we're going to be getting ready with me today. I have nowhere to go except my living room, but we're going to get ready. So yeah, if you want to see this look, then you know what to do, queens. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've already slicked down my hair to the back, straight back. I got a little mini afro, so I don't have much to work with. So I've already slicked it to the back. If you have long hair, you would have to braid your hair down or either slick it back into a ponytail. But I've slicked my hair back. Now I'm going to apply my wig cap. So here is the wig. It came in this drawstring bag. It came with this bonnet, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm gonna put it on. It also came with a face mask. Okay, so let's get into the wig. It's the Popsmoke unit. It comes with a comb at the top, 2 combs on the side, and also comes with an elastic band. Okay, so depending on how it fits on my head, I'm going to decide whether or not I'm going to glue it down. I really don't want to glue it down because I want to take it off and on, but we'll see. So I'm going to put it on. Oh, it's super tight. I don't think I'm going to have to glue it. Okay, now I'm going to undo the edges. So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to move right along to the face because I'm not going to do too much on the eyes today. So I'm going to take my ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. This is my go-to foundation these days. I love it. Now I'm going to apply my ColourPop Concealer. To contour, I'm going to use my Black Radiance foundation stick. I'm going to take a little bit of that foundation stick and put it in the crease of my eyelids just to add some depth. I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder to set my entire face with. I'm going to use a little bit of my translucent powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills to set my under eyes and underneath my cheekbones. To set my contour, I'm going to take my Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm going to go in with the contour shade and contour my eyelid. For blush, I'm going to take my Burnt Pepper blush by MAC Cosmetics and add a little bit of color to my face. For lips, I'm going to apply my ColourPop liner in the shade BFF3. For lips, I'm going to apply my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Sand. My Fantasia Gloss by ColourPop. I'm going to spray myself before I apply my lashes. For highlight, I'm I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills times Resi highlighter. For lashes, I'm going to apply my Bella lashes in the style Boss. Alright queens, that pretty much wraps up this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. It was super fun. I have to do it more often. What do you guys think about this Popsmoke unit? I love it. I can't wait to do more looks with this unit. I'm going to be rocking it out for quite a few days. So you'll be seeing more looks with this unit. I will leave a link down below in my description box to this unit if you want to purchase it. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. And I will see you queens on the next one. Love you. Bye.